Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying OBS is up to date and running with the permissions you need. Open OBS, then go straight to Settings. Do not record while changing paths. Navigate to Output, then Recording Path and click Browse. Choose a drive with enough free space. Make sure it is not a network share unless intended. Once done, create or select a folder and ensure folder permissions let OBS write files, if needed. Run OBS as administrator to avoid permission errors. Next, pick a specific folder on a reliable, fast drive. An SSD reduces dropped frames and file corruption. In Output, confirm recording format and encoder match your needs because format influences file locking and recovery. If you use advanced output or multiple audio tracks, verify those paths and naming templates too. Inconsistent names cause overwrites. Make sure file name templates avoid illegal characters. Once configured, click Apply then OK, so OBS commits settings before you test, with a short recording. Finally, you must validate the change. Record a brief clip and confirm it appears in the chosen folder and plays back cleanly. If OBS fails to save, check Windows or Mac OS permissions, long path limits, drive letters, and antivirus or backup software that may lock files. To salvage existing recordings, move them after stopping OBS, then update the path in OBS before renaming anything. If problems persist, restart OBS and the machine, then retest. One quick reboot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.